The role of article in speaking English. Why I shall need to speak English and there is needed article. So the answer is, you see what your answer is this one, it is correct. So my answer is article is needed before, because in the speaking English, if we are talking to an expert, that person can take our faults also. So for the betterment of our good speaking, we should learn article also. For example, please give me dash glass of water. We know what will be the answer here. Okay, because we know the articles, what is the articles is written here. But if we are not known about the article, and if we are telling an expert that please give me an glass of water, that person will laugh at us.
Exactly.
For that only we have to say a correct sentence, so that there should be no wrong, and there should be an understanding that I am going to deliver him the correct speech, and so that he can be pleased and also he can reply me the correct answer. This is the answer of a question.
Yes,
so according to the answer according to the question you have to answer. You have not to not to divert from the answer. Your answer is correct. If someone is giving mic, then 4 out of 4 or 4.5 you will get. Okay, there is no confusion. But you have to add the question. What is told? What is being told? If I say you why we need to learn English, then you can say this one. Yes, this one. Oh yes, we need to learn English because we have to be prepared of all these things, because we are learning, because our progress of speaking and language learning is very good. Like this, everything you can say. But if the question is added here, that why preposition is needed, then you have to give an example with preposition. You have to, why article is needed, then you have to mention in your reply article. What is the role of article? That things you have to give an example with an example. That's why whenever you are being asked any question regarding to that particular question, you have to have some example. Then only the person will understand. Otherwise, you will be telling everything is good. They have understood, but they will not experience it in their real life.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the way of answering. Okay, this is the thing. Okay, it is the good thing that why we need article, because of the complete sentence, because of the making of complete sentence. Otherwise, it will be a half knowledge. Without grammar, if you are learning speaking English, that is a half knowledge. That means you have
yes. Sometimes it's not makes the perfect sense
also, and you will see that you have learned English in hurry. That means you have no time. Within 3 months, within 4 months, you have to speak. You have to learn, and you have just anyhow you have completed the months and learned.
Yes, sir.
Like this will happen. So you have to go through some grammar, and then only your speaking will get a style, a personality.
Okay.
Is not it?